folks, and welcome to this video from Crash to Cash. Today we're going to compare these products: De-solv-It contractor solvent, 3M general purpose adhesive cleaner, and Turtle Wax label and sticker remover. We have here a vehicle that we bought, and it came with some tape and plastic wrapping that has a lot of adhesive that is left on the vehicle after we pulled it off. So today we're going to compare each one of these products is best for removing this gooey glue from your vehicle once the tape has been removed. First, we have this 3M product, which is the most expensive of all these products. We're going to try this and let's see how it works on this glue. Now, to be fair, I'll spray that there and let it set. Then we'll try to De-solv-It, and I'll spray this here and let it set. This one is the Pro Strength De-solv-It contractor solvent. I sprayed it on this section here to see how this one works, to take the glue from off of there. Last but not least, we have the Turtle Wax, which is the cheapest of all. I would spray this one on this section of the vehicle. Now, let's get back to our first product. And I sprayed right here, which is the 3M. This is the one that I sprayed right here. And let's see how this works, if it takes off this glue. I don't see anything happening there. Nothing happening there. Okay, let's go to the De-solv-It. Just took off a little bit of it. And so we put the Turtle Wax. Okay, so far look like the Turtle Wax took off more than the other products, but again, I would give them a second try and see what it does the second time around. So this is the second time around. We're gonna try to De-solv-It here on this time. Again, 3M. Thirdly, Turtle Wax. Now this is the De-solv-It here again that we're trying. Didn't do much there. This is the 3M again. I'm wiping pretty hard, folks, and still not much happening here. Let's go around to the Turtle Wax again. Don't forget, this is the second time around. Look at the Turtle Wax is breaking that stuff right up. This is the only product that is taking off at least 95% of the glue. So guys, I think the Turtle Wax, which is the cheapest of all of these products, is the best one to purchase. If you look at this spot here, it's nice and smooth. I'm sure one more application of this stuff and everything will be gone. So let me take you back here so you can see the Turtle Wax label and sticker remover, 3M general purpose adhesive cleaner, and the De-solv-It contractor solvent. So you can go to your local auto supply store and pick up this same product right here, turtle wax, label and sticker remover. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a blessed day.